Hi everybody, on this episode I visit Tsukiji Outer Market, which also known as Tsukiji Fish Market or Tsukiji Market in Tokyo, Japan. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and open notifications to be informed about new travel videos from all around the world. Tsukiji Market is a major tourist attraction for both domestic and overseas visitors in Tokyo. The area contains retail markets, restaurants, and associated restaurant supply stores. Today, the market area is generally referred as the Tsukiji Outer Market, but if you hear Tsukiji Fish Market or Tsukiji Market instead, not worry, it's all the same place. Tsukiji Outer Market is located a short walk from either Tsukiji Shijo Station on the Oedo subway line or Tsukiji Station on the Hibiya subway line. The closest GR station is Shimbashi, where you can walk to the market in about 20 minutes. From Tokyo Station, take the Marunouchi subway line from Tokyo to Ginza, 3 minutes, and transfer to the Hibiya subway line to get to Tsukiji Station, 3 minutes. From Shinjuku Station, take the Oedo subway line directly from Shinjuku Station to Tsukiji Shijo Station. The inner market was home to a wholesale fish market that held the title for the largest market of its kind on the entire planet. It also held the incredibly famous tuna auction each morning, drawing tourists from all around the world. The outer market, meanwhile, gained a reputation for the high-quality seafood restaurants, which sprang up alongside a wide variety of other shops in the area. The market opened on 11 February 1935 as a replacement for an older market that was destroyed in the 1923 Great Kanto earthquake. Once upon a time, Tsukiji Market had two parts as the inner market and the outer market. The inner market was home to a wholesale fish market that held the title for the largest market of its kind on the entire planet. The inner market was closed on 6 October 2018, with wholesale operations moving to the new Toyosu market due to the government is mainly concerned about sanitation and cleanliness of the area. Seriously, Tsukiji Market offers a colorful variety of freshly sliced sashimi, dried seaweed, and fresh fruit and vegetables. There are plenty of shops and different cuisines to choose from. The market isn't huge, so take a wander from one end to the other first. Then on your way back, grab yourself some grub at the places that stood out to you. Especially if you are a home cook, there are shops selling Japanese knives, kitchen utensils, and tons of other stuff related to the culinary pleasures. The current Imperial Palace is located on the former site of Edo Castle, a large park area surrounded by moats and massive stone walls in the center of Tokyo. Surrounded by a lush green forest right in the heart of Tokyo, Meiji Jingu Shrine is dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken, who led Japan to become a modernized nation. Hamarikyu Garden was originally built as a feudal lord's Tokyo residence and duck hunting grounds during the Edo period, and now visitors can enjoy it as a park with a great landscape. As well as being Japan's oldest zoo, the Ueno Zoological Gardens, or simply Ueno Zoo, has achieved legendary status in Japan for its giant pandas and success at breeding them. Ginza is known for being Tokyo's #1 upscale shopping district, with numerous department stores and international brands located in this area. The Tokyo Tower is a communications and observation tower in the Shiba-koen district of Minato, Tokyo, Japan, built in 1958. Shibuya is the ultimate tourist destination with landmarks such as the iconic Scramble Crossing, fashion, art, shopping experiences and more. Akihabara is the best neighborhood in Tokyo to buy the newest gadgets, digital cameras, video games and more, as well as being the home of manga and geek culture. Shinjuku City encompasses the buzzing clubs and karaoke rooms of neon-lit East Shinjuku and upscale hotel bars and restaurants in the Skyscraper district. Asakusa retains the vibe of an older Tokyo with traditional craft shops and street food stalls along Nakamise Street near the ancient Sensoji Temple. Kabukicho is a famous entertainment district best known for adult-oriented nightlife and is known as Red Light District of Tokyo. Teamlab Planets is a digital museum where you walk through the water and a garden where you become one with the flowers, which is located in Toyosu area. You can find a wide variety of delicious seasonal fresh or dried fish and seafoods displayed in the showcases. You also will be able to find beef, pork, chicken and fresh eggs. Fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables are available year-round. Wholesale stores in the market also sells delicacies, known in Japanese as chinmi, are readily available here. Tsukudani is an excellent way to preserve small fish, shellfish and seaweed, which are prepared by simmering the ingredients in soy sauce, mirin and sugar and sold in Tsukuji market. A variety of seasonings and processed foods line the shelves of the Japanese markets. Osenbei rice crackers, dried fruits, and nuts are also popular souvenirs as they go well with alcoholic drinks. The market retails both traditional Japanese kitchenware and trendy innovative utensils. The most essential tool of any cook is by far a knife and available at Tsukuji market. A wide selection of beautiful bowls and dishware in every size, color and seasonal pattern awaits you. Many paper and wood products such as wooden chopsticks, colorful placemats and plates can be found at Tsukuji market. You will find some special clothes like aprons, workers' uniforms, t-shirts, tenugie Japanese cotton towels, rubber boots and sandals. In Tsukuji market you will find countless number of sushi restaurants and seafood stalls. You can eat all kinds of fresh seafood around the market. Grilled seafood, sashimi, fried and more. There are so many great restaurants around Tsukuji market. Just go with the flow and pick one that you like. On the weekend there are also bars installed outside when you can drink some sake. It opens varies by shop by typically open between 5 AM to 2 PM. It is closed on Sundays and national holidays. Some shops also close on some Wednesdays. There is not any admission fee to visit market. As noted above, opening hours vary from establishment to establishment, but most of the Tsukuji's shops and restaurants tend to open in the morning and stay open until early afternoon. So we typically recommend visiting in the morning when the market is most active. Besides the fish market, it also had a huge vegetable market and all sorts of items from dried goods to bread, which were sold on the surrounding streets. The area truly earned its nickname of Tokyo cuisine. Feast on fresh sushi for breakfast at nearby restaurants or pick up unique souvenirs ranging from seaweed to sushi knives to handmade ceramics. It's one of the worth visiting locations in Tokyo City to enjoy Japanese cuisine with variety of fish and seafoods. If you like my Tsukiji Outer Market Tokyo Japan video, I would like to see your likes, comments and subscription to my channel for the new travel videos from all around the world. See you!